Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to automate your trades using SuperTrend indicator. Okay, using this strategy I have taken 12 trades today, only 3 of them in loss, all others were in profit. Okay, totally I got 18,000 profit from 10 lots. The idea of this strategy is very simple. Whenever the price reaches near the SuperTrend, we will place order. We are not waiting the price to cross SuperTrend. Okay, whenever the price reaches near 20 or 30 points near the SuperTrend, we will place order. If the price is above the SuperTrend, we will place CE order, and when the price is below the SuperTrend, we will place PE order. Okay, let's see how to add this in our scalping software. If you want the software, please open the website mdotkcodez.com and subscribe any plans, monthly or 6 months or 3 months, and download the software. Okay, it will support Zerodha and Finversia and Black Trade brokers. We will add more brokers soon. Let's see how to add this in our scalping software. Okay, first go to indicator section. Here on my time frame and index equity. This is the format of Bank Nifty index equity. So I select close price, previous candle close price. Okay, this is the format of close price of previous candle. So close price of previous candle should be above the SuperTrend. Above the SuperTrend. Should be above SuperTrend. So first condition is our close price should be above SuperTrend. And next condition is add. Next condition is our current price should be below SuperTrend. Means index LTP. Our index LTP also above SuperTrend. Change the -1 to 0 because it is comparing our current SuperTrend value with the current LTP. Okay. So second condition is added. And our third condition. The third condition is the difference between the current LTP and the SuperTrend value should be below 20 or 30. Okay. For that we should enter BN close minus SuperTrend value. Should be below 30. So whenever it reaches 30 points above our SuperTrend value, the order will be triggered. Okay. You can also change it as per your idea. Okay, 20 or 10, any value. Okay, I have just added our indicator, and I am gonna select at the money C. 48,000 C. I have selected 48,000 C, and I want to buy C. Okay, so add buy C. Okay, strategies added. Let's see how it works. Okay. Okay, the order is placed as it has closed below our SuperTrend value. Okay. Okay, I am exiting the trade. Next, I will show you how to automate these trades. And in the strategy, we have a repeat option. Just click this repeat option, and it will repeat the process for our till 3:25 p.m. It will repeat the strategy. Okay. Next one is we can also add the exit strategy. For example, No need exit strategy for we should set the target of 20 rupees or anything, and a target trial and one point in target trial. Next, so this is our target. Next, I how I set this stop loss is whenever the price crossed below the super trend and it closed below, okay, that means the current candle crossed below the super trend and it closed below the super trend. Whenever it happens, it should exit the order. Okay, so how we add this in our indicator? The idea is, first go to indicator section and close price. Okay, so close price, we got the close price of previous candle, so that means previous candle close should be below current super trend. Okay, super trend means okay, this is our super trend value. Price should be below super trend. So and the minus previous candle price should be below super trend. Then it should exit the entire C. Okay, so I'll add exit C exit. So we have added two strategies, one for entry and another one for exit. Okay, the strategies. Okay, I hope you understand how to add the strategy and how to add exit strategy. I am deleting this. Okay. Delete this and add this account, because in the previous strategy we have not set the target 20 rupees. Now we have set the target of 20 rupees and repeat option, it will work out already. Okay, target and trail is added, so I am adding this again by C. Okay, let it run. We can also add P strategy. Okay, for P, our P strategies, okay, let's see here. Okay. Our previous candle should be below the super trend. First select a spike. Okay, I select a 40,000 PE and in section close price. Close price should be previous candle close price. Previous candle should close below super trend value. Super trend. Okay. Next type parameter is next parameter. The difference between our super trend value and the LTP should be below 20 or 30 as per your idea. Okay. Sorry, before the addition, I have one more condition. Our current LTP should trade below super trend. And our next condition is difference between super trend and super trend minus bank nifty close should be less than 10. Okay, so we have added P condition also. Then we will buy P. Okay, strategy is added. 10 lots. You can set the lots here. Next, our exit condition for P is, what was our exit condition for P? Close of bank nifty. Previous candle close should be below super trend. Now it should be above. When Bank Nifty goes above. Bank Nifty is closed above. One candle closed above the super trend. We will exit the order. Okay, exit. Okay, we have added 4 strategies. 2 for entry and 2 for exit. Okay, let's see how this performs. Okay. Okay, our stop loss is triggered and order is exited. This is how our exit strategy works. Okay, because our previous candle has closed below the super trend and our order is exited. So we got our loss is minus 4,500. 4,500 is our loss. Okay. Hi friends, now the time is 2:40. At morning we have created the strategy and left the system as it is. Now the profit has touched more than 21,000. I think this strategy is working very fine because the risk reward is very high because look at the stop loss 1100, 1280, 1350. Only once it has reached above 4500. All other time the stop loss is less than 10 points. So it's a very good risk reward trades. You can improve the accuracy of this strategy by adding other indicators like RSI or EME. Okay, if you want this software, I am giving the website link in description. Please go through the website and download the software. This software, I recommend this software only for previous year program because we haven't added the software for other brokers and we will try to add other brokers also. Okay, I hope you understand how to create this SuperTrend strategy and how to automate this from morning to evening. Okay, if any other queries, you please let me know in comments. Thank you for watching.